Hello, little friends! Welcome to Math Time with Benny! Today, we learn a super cool skill called subtraction. Subtraction means taking things away. Bye-bye!
Let's use these yummy carrots to practice. Count them with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
We start with 5 carrots in our pile.
Now, let's take away just 1 carrot.
1 carrot gone. Where did it go? We started with 5 carrots and then took 1 away.
How many are left? Let's count together again. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 carrots left.
So, 5 minus 1 equals 4. Great job!
Let's try again. Back to our 5 yummy carrots. This time, we are taking away 2 carrots.
1 and 2. 2 carrots are leaving the group.
1, 2, 3. We found 3.
5 minus 2 equals 3. You are math stars!
Time for a quick challenge. 5 carrots again.
Yeah, we are taking away 3 this time. Shout it out!
What is left? Count the survivors.
2. The answer is 2. You got it! 5 minus 3 is 2. Fantastic work, everyone!
Yay! Let's try something new. What if we take all the carrots away?
We have 5, and we subtract 5 this time.
What is left on the desk now? Is anything there?
When there is nothing left, we call that 0. 5 minus 5 equals 0. 0 means none. Let's quickly remember our subtraction adventures.
Taking 1 away leaves us with 4 carrots.
Taking 2 away leaves us with 3 happy carrots.
And taking 5 away leaves us with 0.
You did amazing practicing subtraction today.
Keep practicing, and I'll see you next time for more fun. If you liked the video, do not forget to subscribe and like for more videos.